Hey guys, back with another video. You know, I never once said my name's Jason with Awesome RT. What a failure. Anyway, so today I've done a few unboxing videos. This is kind of a continuation of the previous. No, I'm not talking to you. So the continuation of the previous unboxing, which was the Scosche suction cup magic mount XL. So that was the first item that I had opened. The other one that I ordered was just the actual magic mount XL surface mount, which is that's it right there. These are just, you know, stick on anywhere. I think it's really just kind of for whatever you want, your kitchen, your bathroom, you know, so you're got somewhere to stick your phone while you're doing the business. But yeah, so it does come with plates, looks like. You know, they use the plate as the magnet to hold the nice little packaging in place. Some instructions, universal fit, right here on the front, but let me check my other box, actually. Make sure I didn't throw away something that... where'd my box go? Jesus, it's over there. I'll get it later. Alright, anywho. But, so it looks like this one does say open here, you know, to actually get this thing out. Which is so very, not, I wouldn't say misleading, but, you know, there is contents that you need to get out of this side. So, don't throw your box away without checking that. Inside the box, the actual box itself, though, let's open that up first. As always, knife safety, don't stab yourself. It's not a good idea. It would hurt a little bit, probably. Should always cut away from you, not towards you like I am right now. Even though you can't see it. So, let's take a look. Let's see what we got. Okay, so inside the actual container itself, once you open the box, you have the actual mount. So it looks like your clip, you know, for your phone or whatever is going to be in that front flap. Looks like instructions, just like the rest. An extra grippy stick pad, I'm assuming. Got some beeping noises going on in here. Then you actually have the magic mount itself, XL. This comes with sticky tape. 3M tape probably, I'm assuming. It's not labeled, but I'm assuming 3M on the back. So the reason I bought these along with the suction cup mount is for the Pro Clip that I'm going to install in the charger. So essentially Pro Clip will install on the dash, and then I'm going to mount this right there. So that way I don't have to you know, put it in a clampy holder. It'll just stick right to the magnet. So much better solution in my opinion, and I, you know, as far as the magnetic mounts go, I think really the Scosche ones were probably the best that I saw as far as just look. You know, a lot of them looked really strange, so I was pretty pleased with it just being very flat and black and just perfect. You know, so it'll fit on there nicely. Doesn't look out of place. You know, so pretty good little solution. But back to the box, so if we need to get these out, it says open here, which means push on it real hard and get it out, maybe. Yeah, so that one just tore out pretty nicely. This one's being a little more pain. Get out. You gotta pull it open. Pull it open first. That's my frustration getting to me. And I bent the damn thing. Jesus. Don't bend it. So they are bendable because it's very, very thin plate for your phone. So, or iPad for this one, I'm assuming. So the phone mounts are a little smaller. I think these you need to, if I remember reading right, you have to actually find where your, because like say for example, I have the Note 8. You know, you gotta find your wireless charging and then put this somewhere else away from that, I think. But I don't know. We'll see. I might just stick it on there and see what happens. But anyway, that's it. Everything out of the box at this point. So, time to go do some install. Thanks for watching, guys. Please, as always, subscribe, share, you know, comment. I love comments. So, see you guys later. Have a great one.